morning, everybody, or good evening, or wherever you might be, and welcome to our life in the Philippines. I just put out the three-part series of a community called DECA, and gathered up a lot of footage, and some of you has probably already seen some of those videos. However, during the few hours we spent there, me and my then co-host Ian, we started talking about other subjects and other things pertaining to obtaining real estate, land, and other things here in the Philippines. So we turned the conversation into a little good advice, and Ian had some good advices, so I put a small little piece that was not included in the three-part series into this video, and hope you enjoy it, and make sure to pay attention to what he's saying, because these are key. I have seen foreigners, expats, buying land and other things, and in the end that don't really have what they bought. And there are several reasons for that, and I'm not going to go into all the details on it. We're just giving some advices on how to avoid that. So come on, let's get into the conversation.
Did you see the one I did in Severa?
No.
You need to look at that video. And I'm actually going to put out a second video about it, because I think somebody should push. The contractor sold, double sold, and did all kinds of
Dodgy stuff.
So all the people in there that bought their homes, they can't own the land, because the land went back to the bank. So the bank is holding the land. It's a mess.
This place is a little similar to a degree. There has been a little bit of buying and selling and stuff that doesn't exist, and that. So when you buy land here, I totally and utterly exclude anyone to do with here. I'd go to an independent lawyer and go, I wish to buy this block of land in this place. Find out who owns it.
Right.
Don't go to the real estate agent who allegedly owns it.
Right.
Or don't go to the development group who allegedly owns it.
Yeah.
You don't know.
There's a lot of that.
You need to get an independent person who has no vested interest in the place to do a correct title search, and go, this is currently the person who owns it and can give you title.
Right.
That's what you have to do.
Yeah, that's a really, really good advice. Yeah. I've seen people, sometimes because it's so cheap, right? So foreigners don't think about, I can get a huge piece of land for $3,000, $4,000, $5,000. Turn out in the end, they don't own it, and they can't own it.
And you've got to be really careful too. There's a lot of coastal land that appears to be cheap, and those strips. But you've got to take into account that the first 30 metres
right.
is full water mark.
Right.
So if it's a strip of land that's X amount of metres wide, and you've got to take it, and it's on the coast, like on the beach, you do need to take into account, well, 30 metres of that is not mine.
Right.
So what am I really buying?
Yeah.
So you got to be really
1.5 metre times 50.
Yeah, well, that's pretty much it.
Yeah. There's a lot of that going on. But Severa, there got to be 1,000 homes there. And I would say, if I took a guess, that 60% of them are totally abandoned.
Yep.
The doors are thrown out, windows. You'll see it. I'm going to put out a video about it.
Goodness. This is all new stuff down here, right at the bottom. That's a complete new division. There's another one on the other side of the street, another complete new division. There's actually a lot more land to be developed here. And one thing I've realised about Filipinos is there's a general store there.
Right.
And we looked at the new one opening up down the bottom.
Right.
They won't walk. Filipinos won't walk.
Right. They
won't walk. They won't walk from there to there. If they can walk 100 metres to get to what they need,
right.
Bad service, good service, here and either,
they get it.
They'll get it. They won't go another 600 because of the heat.
Yeah.
I mean, and to me, I come from Australia. this is a nice day.
Yeah, it's a nice day. Yeah, you're used to some heat in Australia too, right? Depends on where you live too.
Yeah. So that's pretty much it. But this has all been has to be fixed.
Yeah, but it looks like they were. It looks like they're working on it.
They are.
so-
It's been a work in progress for the last 4 weeks. They've started
Right.
from way up there.
So you say back up here.
Yeah, they started way up there, the top fence.
All right. So they're finishing up the fence now. Huh?
Yeah, well, they've had to dig all this out and build actually a sub retainer wall to hold us all back, and repair the damage that the earthquake did.
Right. Yeah. Did you have a lot of feeling of the earthquake?
Oh, hell yeah! I couldn't. My house is.
Yeah. Yeah, because we were actually, and this is funny because I believe there is a saying that animals feels things coming way before we do.
Yeah, they can feel it.
And we're down in the kitchen area, and I hear this
Out.
cats, right? Cats running all over the roofs everywhere. It sounded like they're slammed, but they felt the earthquake.
Before.
Yeah, 5 seconds later, the house started moving.
Yep.
And I said, quiet, shit, we got an earthquake here.
Yeah, and they do. They can feel that vibration coming up through their pads. That really low sub vibration.
Yeah.
that
See,
you can't
we
feel.
didn't feel it, but the cats did, and
Yeah.
I guarantee you that. Yeah.
All right, guys, that was a 5-minute little piece. Hope you take that advice, and we are wrapping this video up at this point. Thank you for watching. God bless, and don't forget to subscribe, share, and like, and hit that bell also, and you get the notifications. God bless. Bye-bye.